Hello everyone. For today's math lesson, you're going to need pages 573 and 575. Today's math lesson is lesson 10.3, Measure Time Intervals. Essential question. How can you measure elapsed time in minutes? Well, we're going to find out. Let's learn what elapsed time is. Unlock the problem. Alicia and her family visited the Kennedy Space Center. They watched a movie that began at 4:10 p.m. and ended at 4:53 p.m. How long did the movie last? Circle the time the movie began and ended. It began at 4:10 p.m. and it ended at 4:53 p.m. Underline the question. How long did the movie last? To find elapsed time, find the amount of time that passes from the start of an activity to the end of the activity. One way, use a number line. Step 1, find the time on the number line that the movie began. Well, it began at 4:10. Count on to the ending time, 4:53. Count on by tens for each 10 minutes. Count on by ones for each 1 minute. Write the times below on the number line. All right. 4:10 to 4:20, go 10 more minutes to 4:30. 10 more minutes to 4:40. 10 more minutes to 4:50. We can't go 10 more because we'll go past 4:53, so now we'll do one minute increments. So 1 minute here is 4:51, 1 more minute is 4:52, 1 more minute is 4:53, and we got to our end time. Draw the jumps on the number line to show the minutes from 4:10 to 4:53. Record the minutes, then add them. Okay, so 10 minutes here, 10, 10, 10, 1, 1, 1. All right, so 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 1, 1, and 1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, and 3. 43. The elapsed time from 4:10 p.m. to 4:53 p.m. is 43 minutes. So the movie lasted 43 minutes. Use models. What is another way you can use jumps on the number line to find the elapsed time from 4:10 to 4:53? Well, if we have to start at 4:10, we're going to look up here. Well, we could go to the half hour, so we could jump 20 minutes. Then we could jump another 20 minutes to 4:50. And then we can jump 3 more minutes to 4:53. So start at 4:10, jump 20 minutes to the half hour, 20 more minutes to 4:50, and 3 minutes to 4:53. So 20 plus 20 plus 3 equals 20, 40, 1, 2, 3. 43 minutes. All right, if you need to pause to copy, you can. We're going to flip over to page 574. All right, page 574. Other ways. Start time, 4:10 p.m. End time, 4:53 p.m. A. Use an analog clock. Step 1. Find the starting time on the clock. 4:10 is our starting time. Count the minutes by counting on by 5s and 1s to 4:53 p.m. Write the missing counting numbers next to the clock. All right, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Then we're going by ones, 41, 42, and 43. So the elapsed time is 43 minutes. B. Use subtraction. Step 1. Write the ending time, then write the start time so that the hours and minutes line up. The hours are the same, so subtract the minutes. Okay, so our end time is 4:53. Our start time was 4:10. Our hours are the same, so we're going to subtract the minutes. 3 minus 0 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. Elapsed time is 43 minutes. Try this. Find the elapsed time in minutes 2 ways. Start time, 10:05 a.m. End time, 10:30 a.m. Use a number line. Step 1. Find 10:05 on the number line. Count on from 10:05 to 10:30. Draw marks and record the times on the number line. Then draw and label the jumps. Think. Count on using longer amounts of time that make sense. Okay, well we're going to start at 10:05 and we need to get to 10:30. Well, let's do 10 minutes because that's a longer amount of time. So 10 minutes after 10:05 is 10:15. Well, then that 15-minute increment gets us all the way to 10:30. So let's do the 15. So 10 minutes plus 15 minutes is 25 minutes. So 25 minutes. All right, so we added to find the total minutes from 10:05 to 10:30. So that's 10 plus, or 15 plus 10 is 25. Okay, so from 10:05 a.m. to 10:30 is how many? 25 minutes. So the elapsed time is 25 minutes. B, use subtraction. Think, the hours are the same, so subtract the minutes. Well, we can't subtract 5 from 0, so we're going to make this a 10, and we borrowed, so this is now a 2. All right, so 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 0 is 2. 25. It's the same. All right, so compare strategies. Which method do you prefer to use to find elapsed time? Well, if you use subtraction, you use the end time and subtract the start time to find the elapsed time. If you like using, I want to make sure everyone can see this. If you like using a number line, I can count on using amounts that make sense to me. All right, if you need to pause and copy, you can do that now. We're going to move on to page 575. Share and show. Use the number line to find the elapsed time from 10:15 to 10:40 p.m. All right, well, if we start, not 10:15, my apologies, 1:15 to 1:40. Okay, so we're going to start at 1:15 and we need to go to 1:40. Let's do 5 minutes first. That will get us to 1:20. We can do 10 minutes to get us to the half hour at 1:30. And then 10 more minutes will get us to 1:40. So we did 5 minutes here, 10 minutes here, and 10 more minutes here. All right, so 5 plus 10 plus 10, 5 plus 10 is 15, plus 10 more is 25 minutes. All right. Find the elapsed time. Number 2. Start at 11:35 a.m. and we're going to end at 11:54. Okay. Let's see. So we started 10:35, so we're going to do 5 minutes to 11:40. Then we want to go 10 minutes can get us to 11:50. Then we can't go 5 more because we'll go too far, so let's do 1 minute increments. So 11:51, 11:52, 11:53, 11:54. Okay, so I'm going to try to I'll write down here 11:51. This is 11:52. This is 11:53. And that's 11:54. So that's 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, so 5 plus 10 is 15. Then we'll do 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 plus 10 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 minutes. All right. Number 3. Start at 4:20 and end at 5 p.m.